Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Brightknowledge-Healthy Living. Did you know that eggs have been a breakfast staple for centuries? But today, we're diving into a fun debate. Omelette versus boiled egg. Which one takes the crown for health, taste, and convenience? Let's get cracking! Today, we're cracking into a hot debate. Omelette versus boiled egg. Which is better for your health, your taste buds, and your lifestyle? Let's find out! First things first, let's break it down. Both omelettes and boiled eggs are made from the same base ingredient, the incredible edible egg. But what sets them apart? Section 1. Nutritional breakdown. Let's talk nutrition. A single large boiled egg has about 70 calories, 6 grams of protein, and 5 grams of healthy fats. It's a perfect package of nutrients. But when you're making an omelette, things can change. Add-ins like cheese, butter, or oil can bump up the calories and fats. So if you're watching your calories, boiled eggs might have the upper hand. But that doesn't mean omelettes can't be healthy. Load them up with veggies, and you've got a protein-packed, nutrient-rich meal. Section 2. Taste and versatility. When it comes to taste and versatility, omelettes are the winner. You can customize them endlessly to suit your mood. Craving something cheesy? Done. Want something light and green? Add spinach and herbs. Boiled eggs, on the other hand, are simple and straightforward. But hey, simplicity has its charm, right? Section 3. Cooking time and convenience. Now let's talk convenience. Boiled eggs are as easy as it gets. Just boil, peel, and you're done. They're great for meal prep too. Make a batch and store them in the fridge. Omelettes, while quick, do require a bit more attention and cleanup. Section 4. Health goals and lifestyle. Your choice might depend on your health goals. If you're on a weight loss journey, boiled eggs are a low-calorie, high-protein option. But if you're looking for a more satisfying and flavorful meal, an omelette might be the way to go. So what's the verdict? Well, it's not really about which is better. It's about what works for you. Both omelettes and boiled eggs have their own perks. Whether you're in a rush, meal prepping, or treating yourself to a hearty breakfast, there's an egg dish for every occasion. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious debate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.